Hey everyone, Luke here with another video. It is around 11 p.m. at night, so just going to be doing a short, quick video here, but just kind of want to talk about the rental that I recently bought. I've been finding some good Easter eggs in the rental, so it's been pretty exciting. It's too late tonight to do a video outside and inside, but tomorrow I will be able to show you guys the property and show you guys the inside of it. It does need some work, but I found some good Easter eggs. It's basically just something that's kind of exciting to me. To you, it might be kind of boring, but basically, hardwood floors are worth a lot of money. And pretty much every rental property that you're going to buy, whether you're buying a house to actually live in or you're buying a house to actually rent it out, you are going to probably want to replace the carpet in it unless the carpet is newer or was just recently put in. So anyways, I was walking through this rental today, and obviously the carpet needs to be replaced in the dining room and the living room, and I was just wondering, what am I going to do? Am I going to rip this carpet up and put new carpet down? That's usually the go-to, or to do some kind of wood laminate flooring, or possibly like one-piece luxury vinyl. But anyways, the biggest kicker and the best Easter egg you can find underneath carpet is old, genuine hardwood flooring that is in good condition that just needs to be resurfaced. And lo and behold, I was in the rental today and I was checking out the carpet, and I went to go rip it up just to see, hey, what's going on? And lo and behold, there was genuine wood floors underneath the carpet. Now, there's two reasons why I get super excited about this. So one, that gives me the option to not have to buy any material. I can have the entire floor sanded down, I can have it resurfaced basically, and then have it stained, and then have it cleared, and boom, I've got a brand new floor that's going to last for years to come in the house. It's probably going to outlast carpet and everything. And on top of that, genuine hardwood flooring is starting to become harder and harder to find. So that's another huge thing that I'm just really excited about, just because you don't see it anymore. So what I'm thinking for this house, I'm probably going to do like a modern or updated Victorian. I'm going to leave all the original trim. I'm going to redo the hardwood floor. So it should be kind of a neat house, and it should generate some decent cash flow each month, just because of the fact that it's going to be updated and it's got that modern Victorian style to it. So I'm pretty excited about that. And on top of that, it gives me the option to have the hardwood floor, or maybe I want to put carpet back in and put it over the wood floor. But I mean, the hardwood floor, that was a tongue twister. The hardwood floor is always going to be there. But the other big thing why this is really important, why it makes me excited, is because of the fact that hardwood floor makes the property value go up. So not every place has hardwood floor now. Hardwood floor that was originally put in is starting to become harder and harder to find. In fact, one of the only places that you can find it besides old houses is like gymnasiums you'll see at school. It's kind of like that same kind of wood, and you just don't see it very often. And once it's refinished and it's clear coated or cleared, it lasts, forever. If you're running basketball teams over it, it's going to last for a long time. So you figure if you have a genuine hardwood floor, sanded, resurfaced, stained, and then cleared, it's going to last a long time with just normal wear and tear traffic or foot traffic in a house. So super excited about that. It's just kind of a nice Easter egg. The house already appraised for more than I purchased it for originally without even lifting the carpet up or anything. So I can't imagine when I actually redo everything and then have it reappraised. This house is probably going to be a better deal than I had even imagined. So it's pretty cool. Today we pretty much ripped down some trees. We ripped out the fence because the fence wasn't really all that great in the backyard, and I'll show you guys that tomorrow. You'll be able to see tomorrow kind of where everything was. There was a small shed on the property too. I didn't get a chance to actually take a picture of it, but I ripped that down today too. So I had a couple people out there also with me working side by side, paying them to help. So it's pretty interesting, made some good progress. But that being said, it's late at night. I got to get up early. I got to make this other video for you guys tomorrow so you can see kind of these updates on what it takes basically to actually buy a property that is a fix and flip or a fix and rent. And what this is a fix and rent. So I kind of want to show you guys, I want to take you through these next few videos this week and kind of show you what kind of stuff it takes to actually renovate it and then get it ready for rent. Like, what does it take? So I'm going to kind of be basically doing like a little vlog here each day for you guys, just to kind of show you what it takes and what I do with these homes and how I buy them and how fast I can actually turn them around. Now, obviously, when I first started buying these, I didn't necessarily turn them around all that fast, but I've, done quite a few of these now, and I can have these turned around, within a month, which isn't bad at all. And sometimes I get lucky. Sometimes I find people also that want to live in the home before it's perfect, and they'll actually do some of the work for me. Like I'll find a contractor that wants to live in the home for free rent and then basically remodel the home as they live there. So it's almost like getting financing for all the remodeling that I would have had to pay for anyways. So that's kind of a neat thing that you can do also. But that being said, I will have a video for you guys tomorrow. I'll show you the outside of the property, the inside, and I'll show you the little block that I have purchased also of all the homes that I have right next to each other. So kind of an interesting video for you guys tomorrow. So hopefully you guys find some of this stuff interesting. I'm trying to do a little more things, just than phone flipping. I mean, phone flipping is great, but I talk about it all the time, every time. So taking a little bit of a break from that, especially with the price drops. The price drops are just, they're dropping. They're not really going up. Like I said, we're going to have a new phone release and everything. So anyways, with prices dropping and all that good stuff and me talking about phone flipping almost every single day, I'm trying to do something a little bit different, kind of give you guys some new content. And I want to take you into, the real estate side of things and what I do exactly and what it takes to be able to actually renovate something and get it ready for rent. There's a lot of people out there that say, oh, you don't need any skills at all for real estate. Well, that's true. But at the same time, if you know how to do all the, demo work and you know how to actually envision what you should do with a property when you get it, instead of hiring somebody and paying them $1,000 to do it, you could literally do it yourself for probably a quarter of the cost. And I know a lot of people say, well, Luke, wouldn't it be more beneficial if you were to just hire someone to do it and then you were to go do your other stuff? Well, if you're good at it and you're fast at it, sometimes you can actually do it faster than the people you are potentially going to hire. And it gets done the right way because you may have your own vision. You hire somebody else there to do it. You're not there, not telling them what to do. If they do something or something comes up, and well, then you gotta do it over again, and it's more cost to you. So sometimes it's actually better and faster to just do it yourself if you've done it a few times, and not to mention you might get ideas as you go. So me personally, I'd rather spend like a few weeks there on and off, and then obviously at the end of the day, once it gets dark out, I come inside, I do my office work, do my phone flipping ads and all that. So I never really take complete time away from the business, but I kind of just split my time when I'm doing these projects. And I do enjoy doing a lot of it myself because it allows me to learn new skills and also improve the skills that I already have. And I think it's really important in this business, especially once you start getting a lot of properties, you might get maintenance calls. It's good to be able to do that stuff yourself. Even if you got to push it off to the next day, get over there, do it yourself. It's much better than calling somebody and paying $200, $300, $400 for a service call when you could possibly fix it yourself in a few hours. So that being said, hope all of you enjoyed this video. Hope you enjoy the video tomorrow. Make sure you guys smash that like button. And if you have not already, join the notification squad, hit subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video.